The stats refers to the statistics of your schedule. Let's check out the stats button. We're going to see for the week between the 10th all the way to the 16th. This is for the employees. We have how many total hours they've been scheduled, and that gets broken down into direct hours, indirect, drive time, lunch time, and supervision hours. Remember, when you inputted the employee's information, you said how many hours is the max hours they want to work. For example, Roxy, you entered in 40 hours. So she's been scheduled for 37 hours, so therefore she has 3 hours remaining. Now you can manually enter in more hours than what you recommended initially. Let's say you schedule Roxy for 42 hours, then this will show as -2 and it'll show in red to kind of notify you if you went a little overboard or you have more hours to give them. Supervision refers to how many of their hours is supervised hours, whether they're in an RBT being supervised or they are a BCBA doing the supervision. That's what this supervision refers to. If we go to clients, we have the same idea. You put in their recommended hours. So this is how many hours they've been scheduled and how many hours are remaining based on the recommended hours. How many hours are being supervised and the percentage of hours that are being supervised for this particular client. A lot of the times you have some goal you want to meet, how many hours need to be supervised. They have some kind of percentage. You can see the branches statistics where it's separated between our two branches, Atlanta and Gainesville, where you have how many direct hours and then indirect drive time lunch, supervision, and then the total hours. Now for all of these statistics, you can export this into a nice PDF or Excel if you want. You can also print it. You could limit the number of columns. Let's say I don't care about that last one, the email column. So I just click on that, it'll disappear. I could do that for however many I wanted. And this is good if you don't really care about exporting those particular columns into an Excel or doing those columns when you print it out. The schedules just has all the scheduled appointments, whether they are cancellations or just regular appointments, in a nice data table, and you could export this as well. And then the preview, like we are going over in a different video, generates a nice, pretty, well-formatted schedule that you can eventually email to your employees, save, all sorts of things.